Giovanni Antonio Canal was born October 18, 1697, died April 19, 1768. He, commonly known as Canaletto, was an Italian painter from the Republic of Venice. Considered an important member of the 18th century Venetian school, painter of city views or vedute, of Venice, Rome, and London, he also painted imaginary views, although the demarcation in his works between the real and the imaginary is never quite clear-cut. He was further an important printmaker using the etching technique. In the period from 1746 to 1756 he worked in England, where he painted many views of London and other sites including Warwick Castle and Alnwick Castle. He was highly successful in England, thanks to the British merchant and connoisseur Joseph Consul Smith, whose large collection of Canaletto's works was sold to King George III in 1762.